Hello students. Today we are going to study a new physical quantity, surface tension, from the chapter Mechanical Properties of a Fluid. In this topic, we will study surface tension, cohesive force, adhesive force, range of molecular force, sphere of influence, surface film, free surface of a liquid, molecular theory, and surface energy. We have seen that water spider walks on the surface of steady water. Paper pin floats on the surface of water. Raindrops and soap bubbles always take spherical shape, etc. Why it happens? It is a surface tension effect. Surface tension. A liquid at rest shows a very interesting property called surface tension. Surface tension is one of the important properties of liquid. Do you know when we write on paper, the ink sticks to the paper. When teacher writes on a board, chalk particles stick to the board. We also observe if we put some water in tube and some mercury in another, the water surface take a concave shape and the mercury surface take a convex shape. Mercury in glass container does not wet its surface while water in glass container wets it. Rainwater does not pass through tiny holes in the fabrics of umbrella, raincoats, tents, etc. Water surface of steel pond appears as film. In all these examples, observations can be explained on the basis of different types of forces coming into play in all situations. We will try to understand effect of these forces and their relation to the surface tension in liquids. To understand surface tension, we need to know some terms in molecular theory that explains the behavior of liquid at that surface. Molecular theory means macroscopic world, which we can see. For example, our cloth, pen, mobile, etc. Means, as we know, fabric is made up of a number of small molecules. Also, we can say this about pen, mobile, etc. Means every object in universe is made up of number of molecules, number of small molecules. Now we are going to microscopic level. When we consider water in a container, means it is not a single drop. It contains number of water molecules. That is molecule of H2O. Now what is this intermolecular force? We know matter is made up of molecules. Any two molecules attract each other. The force between the molecule is called intermolecular force. There are two types of intermolecular forces. First one is cohesive force and second one is adhesive force. Cohesive force. The force of attraction between the molecules of same substance is called cohesive force. or force of cohesion. Example, force of attraction between two air molecule or two water molecule is a cohesive force. See, as shown in the figure, the force between same molecule. We can say molecules of same substance. These are different substance. The force is called as cohesive force. Cohesive force is a strong force in solids and it is weak in gases. And this is the reason why solid possess definite shape and gases do not. Small droplets of liquid coalesce into one and form a single drop due to this cohesive force. Adhesive force. The force of attraction between the molecules of different substance is called adhesive force or force of adhesion. Example, when we pour a liquid in a glass and if we remove it, means empty the glass, then water molecules clings on the glass surface as shown in this picture. The force of attraction between glass and water molecule is a force of adhesion. In short, cohesion means it causes the formation of water drops when it rains, and adhesion means causes these drops to cling to other surface like leaves, surface, etc. Range of molecular force. To study this, remember in electrostatic we have studied charges. There is a force of attraction between unlike charge and repulsion between like charges. If we consider these are two positive charges, then there is a force of repulsion. One is positive, other one is negative, then there is a force of attraction. If the charges is placed at some definite distance, then there is a force of attraction or repulsion depending upon the nature. If we increase distance between them, means if this charge is shifted to the here, then the force does not exist between them, means they are not in a range. Similarly, molecular force having range, and this range is in the order of few meter. The maximum distance between two molecules up to which intermolecular force are effective is called range of molecular force. These intermolecular forces are effective up to short distance nearly equal to few nanometer, means 10 raised to minus 9 meter, as in solids and liquids. As this range is very small, very short, they are called as short range forces. In figure, the range between this charged particle is 9 nanometer, that is 9 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. This is applicable to molecule also. Sphere of influence. To study sphere of influence, again remember one thing, that is electric field in electrostatic. In electric field, what happens? If we place a charge at any point, then electric field is produced in the surrounding region. If we place other charges like this, imagine the charge is placed at point A, other charges are placed at point B, C, D, E, etc. Then if these charges are placed in electric field or brought in the electric field, then electric field exerts a force on it. If we place other charge here, then This force does not exert a force on it because it is not in the influence, or we can say in the range of this electric field. Means it is out of influence of the electric field. If we draw a circle or a sphere like this, then this sphere indicate the sphere of influence of the charge. In our theory, in our molecular theory, we treat this charge as a water molecule. Water molecule can be shown by a dot, and this sphere indicates sphere of influence. So, an imaginary sphere drawn with a molecule at its center, and radius equal to molecular range. This radius equal to molecular range is called sphere of influence of the molecule. The sphere around A, as shown in figure, in the sphere of influence, every molecule inside the sphere exerts force of attraction on the molecule at the center. Means the sphere, the molecules which are in this sphere exerts force of attraction on molecule which is at center. The intermolecular force is effective only within the sphere of influence.